Hi friends, I have a story for you today. This one is called Splat the Cat, The Rain is a Pain. These are stories that are based on the creation of Rob Scotton. Here is the AR information. Splat couldn't wait to spend a whole day in his brand new skates. It was a sunny day. There was one plain little cloud in the sky, but it looked far away. Splat jumped, spun, and flipped, and the cloud got bigger. It got closer. It got darker. Splat tried to skate away. He went left, he went right, but the cloud followed. It was gaining on him. Now the cloud looked as big as a plane or a train. It was gray. It was a dark, stormy gray. The cloud poured rain. The rain is a pain, Splat complained. Inside, Splat tried to dry off. He shook out his fur, he jiggled his paw, he squeezed his tail, but Splat was still very wet. I'll just air dry, he said, standing in a big, muddy puddle. Splat wondered what to do next. Use your brain, he told himself. He rolled into the living room and built a racetrack. Splat went faster and faster, around and around and around. Splat! Splat picked up one muddy paw and then another. He felt a little muddy puddle. He left a big muddy puddle and a big muddy stain. Mom was not happy. Out, Splat, out, she said. But it's pouring, Splat explained. The rain is a pain. All the skating had made Splat hungry. He rolled to the kitchen for some ice cream. Little Sis was frosting fish sticks. Little Sis had the radio on. Meow Rock began to play. It was Splat's favorite song. He began to sing and dance. Splat bumped into Little Sis. The frosting spilled everywhere. Out, Splat, out, said Little Sis. I can't go out, said Splat. The rain is a pain. Splat rolled onto the dining room. The song made him think of something to do. Let's play musical chairs, Splat said to Seymour. Splat fell flat. Looks like Seymour is the little mouse. Dad was not happy. Out, Splat, out, he said. It's still pouring, said Splat. The rain is a pain. Splat rolled into the hall to take off his skates. But Splat ran into Little Sis. Splat! Her plate of frosted fish sticks went flying. Oh no, said Little Sis. She reached out in vain. Oh, she's so mad. Yikes, said Splat, but he caught the plate. All the fish sticks remained. Mom and Dad heard the shouting. They rushed in and ran into Splat. Fish sticks went everywhere. Everyone slipped on the fish sticks. Everyone slid in the muddy puddles, down the hall and out the door. Oh no, said Splat. The rain, ... makes a rainbow. The end.